So as our clip-ins are double drawn, they're straight all the way along the bottom. So we recommend that you go to a hairdresser to get them cut in. So this is how we would cut a set of hair extensions in. You can see that there's some lines going through there. We're just going to chip them lightly. Now we can still see a bit of a line happening through here, so we're just going to lift that and chip it. So you can see we're not taking any length off here, we're just taking the weight lines out. This is if you want to wear them straight, it's really important to have them cut in professionally. Can you see how much better that blends now? So all it needs is a very fine slice. Just to softly blend that in. She can wear that straight or curly now.